Meaning of importune.
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 Importune. The word importune is often used as a verb to describe the act of persistently asking someone for something, especially in an annoying or troublesome manner. It can also refer to the act of pressing or urging someone to do something through repeated solicitations or requests. When one importunes someone, they may make constant appeals or requests that can become bothersome or vexatious. Such behavior can lead to discomfort, annoyance, or frustration for the person being importuned, and may ultimately result in strained relationships or negative outcomes if the behavior persists.